Welcome back to Apple Insider, your trusted source for in-depth tech reviews and honest insights. Today we're diving into a smartphone that blends design, performance, and innovation in a way that feels refreshing in a market filled with repetition. This is the Vivo V23 Pro, a device that not only looks stunning but also brings a unique set of features to the table. If you're curious about whether this is the right phone for you, stick around as we break down everything from design and display to performance, cameras, software, and of course, the all-important value for money. Let's get started. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Vivo V23 Pro makes a statement the moment you pick it up. Unlike many phones that feel generic, this one stands out with its ultra-slim profile, curved edges, and one of the most striking finishes we've seen in recent years. The back panel comes with a color-changing fluorite AG glass that shifts shades under sunlight, giving you a phone that feels alive and dynamic. It's almost like carrying a piece of art in your hand. The device weighs light for its size, making it comfortable to hold for long periods without fatigue, and the smooth edges blend seamlessly into the curved display. Attention to detail is everywhere, from the perfectly aligned camera module to the premium texture that resists fingerprints while still offering a soft matte feel. While some may argue that glass backs are fragile, Vivo has reinforced the V23 Pro with solid construction that feels reassuring without compromising on elegance. The combination of artistry and engineering here makes it more than just a phone, it's an accessory that elevates your style. Number 2. The display. The Vivo V23 Pro sports a 6.56-inch AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. At first glance, it's simply gorgeous. Colors are vibrant without being oversaturated, blacks are deep and inky thanks to AMOLED technology, and brightness levels are more than adequate for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite Netflix series, scrolling social media, or even gaming, the panel delivers fluid motion and excellent clarity. HDR10+ support makes movies pop with cinematic quality, while the slim bezels and curved edges create an immersive, almost borderless viewing experience. The 90Hz refresh rate may not be the fastest on the market, but it strikes a perfect balance between smooth visuals and power efficiency. Touch response is quick and accurate, making the screen feel like an extension of your fingertips. Vivo has nailed the visual experience here, giving you a display that not only looks premium but also performs beautifully under different conditions. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo V23 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. On paper, that's impressive, but in real-world use, it's even better. The phone handles multitasking effortlessly, switching between heavy apps without any stutter. Gaming performance is strong, with titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9 running at high settings smoothly. The chipset is built on a 6nm process, which not only enhances efficiency but also ensures better thermal management. This means the phone doesn't overheat easily even during extended gaming sessions. Everyday tasks like messaging, browsing, or video calls feel instant and lag-free. Vivo also offers an extended RAM feature that borrows storage to act as additional RAM, making app switching snappier. While it may not outshine flagship processors from Qualcomm in benchmark numbers, it absolutely delivers more than enough power for both casual and advanced users. In essence, the V23 Pro gives you flagship-level responsiveness without the flagship price tag. Number 4. The camera system. This is where the Vivo V23 Pro really flexes its identity. On the back, you get a triple camera setup featuring a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro. The results are consistently impressive, with sharp details, balanced colors, and excellent dynamic range. The 108MP main sensor produces images that are rich in clarity, allowing you to zoom in and crop without losing much detail. The ultra-wide is handy for capturing landscapes and group shots, though like most ultra-wides it does lose some sharpness at the edges. The macro camera is more of a bonus than a necessity, but it can deliver fun close-up shots. Where the phone really sets itself apart is the front camera. Vivo has equipped the V23 Pro with a dual front setup, including a 50MP primary selfie camera and an 8MP ultra-wide for group selfies. Selfies are bright, detailed, and natural, even in tricky lighting conditions. The ultra-wide is a lifesaver when you want to fit more friends into the frame. Night photography is solid, with the phone's night mode boosting brightness without overexposing highlights. Video recording is equally polished, offering 4K resolution with good stabilization. Vivo clearly knows its audience here, and the V23 Pro shines as one of the best selfie and social media content creation phones in its class. Number 5. Battery life. The V23 Pro comes with a 4300 mAh battery, which may sound modest compared to some competitors boasting 5000 mAh or more, but don't let the numbers fool you. The phone's efficiency is excellent thanks to the Dimensity 1200 chipset and optimized software. On a typical day with social media, streaming, browsing, and some gaming, the phone comfortably lasts a full day with around 20% to spare. For lighter users, it can stretch into a day and a half. Where Vivo adds more conveniences in charging. The V23 Pro supports 44W fast charging, which takes the battery from 0 to around 65% in just 30 minutes and a full charge in under an hour. This means even if you forget to plug in overnight, a quick coffee break is enough to power you through the day. While wireless charging is absent, the wired fast charging more than makes up for it, and for most users, the combination of reliable endurance and quick top-ups is more practical than slow wireless pads. Number 6. Software and features. The phone runs on FunTouch OS based on Android 12, which has seen significant improvements in recent years. The interface is cleaner, smoother, and less cluttered than before, making it easier to navigate even if you're new to Vivo devices. Animations are fluid, and Vivo has reduced unnecessary bloatware, though you still get a few pre-installed apps that can be uninstalled if not needed. Customization options are plenty, allowing you to tweak themes, icons, and gestures to your liking. Vivo also integrates useful features like extended RAM, multi-turbo mode for gaming, and an advanced cooling system. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, while face unlock adds convenience. Software updates remain an area where Vivo has room to grow, but with Android 12 at its core, the user experience feels polished and modern. It's a system designed to make the phone both powerful and personal, giving you tools that fit your lifestyle. Number 7. Value for money. This is where the Vivo V23 Pro makes its strongest case. Positioned in the upper mid-range category, the phone delivers premium design, flagship-grade selfies, strong performance, and a vibrant display at a price that undercuts many of its competitors. For users who prioritize cameras, especially front cameras, the V23 Pro is almost unmatched in its price bracket. Add to that fast charging, reliable battery life, and a design that turns heads, and you get a phone that offers much more than the sum of its parts. While it may not have wireless charging or the absolute top-tier processor, it balances all the essentials beautifully, giving you a premium experience without requiring you to empty your wallet. And finally, the conclusion. The Vivo V23 Pro is not just another mid-range phone, it's a device that redefines what users can expect at this price point. It combines a stunning design with one of the best front camera systems in the industry, delivering an experience that feels both premium and personal. The display is immersive, the performance is smooth, the battery keeps you going, and the software has matured into something genuinely enjoyable. Of course, it's not perfect. Power users may wish for wireless charging or a 120Hz refresh rate, and Vivo still needs to strengthen its long-term software update promise. But for the vast majority of users, these trade-offs are minor compared to what you're getting. If you're someone who values style, cameras, and a well-rounded smartphone experience without breaking the bank, the Vivo V23 Pro deserves to be high on your list. This is Apple Insider, and our verdict is clear. The Vivo V23 Pro is one of the most exciting mid-range phones you can buy right now.